Okay, so I'm going to give you guys my honest review on this Nailboo Forever Glaze. This is a at-home gel mani, and I have had it on since, I don't know, I did it last night at 7 p.m. and I'm not real thrilled, not gonna lie. I mean, I guess it's better than regular nail polish, but it has already chipped. Hold on, that is so blurry. Like right here it's chipped. Right here on the chrome, you can kind of see right here at that one where it's peeling. I've got it's peeling right here, so here and there, and then my thumb. So I have not done anything crazy with my hands. I showered, I worked out today. I didn't lift weights, I literally just like got on the bicycle. I've showered, washed my hair. When I do dishes, I wear gloves, so haven't been like wet or in things doing anything that would merit it chipping this bad. It is really pretty. I do love the color, and I think it's probably like a little bit better quality than like regular nail polish. So this is the color that I used. It's really pretty, really pretty brown. I've been trying to save money because I don't have any extra money right now to go get my nails done like I'm used to. But I love being done up and having my nails done. But yeah, I'm underwhelmed. And this is the second brand that I've tried. So my daughters and I tried the Dashing Diva, and actually the Dashing Diva Chrome is what this green is. And funnily enough, I put the chrome on there thinking it was just gonna like make the brown like kind of shiny and metallic. I didn't know it was gonna turn them green, but I genuinely was like too tired, too lazy. I was like, I am not soaking these off. I'm not starting over. So I just left them as they are and went with it because it's close to Halloween. But yeah, so my rating for Nailboo is like 5 out of 10. I'd give it like 50%. Only because it is more solid than like regular nail polish, but like it's chipping within the first day. So is it really worth all the hassle of like curing it rather than just getting a $2 nail polish and letting it air dry? I don't know. Drop your comments or experiences below. I'm curious to see if you've used this brand, what you think, and if you've had similar experiences or if you have any tips for me to do it better. Cheers.